Where do futuristic architecture and mouthwatering cuisine collide? Singapore offers a captivating blend of modern marvels and cultural treasures. Will you soar through a futuristic garden or zip line through a real rainforest? Join me on an unforgettable journey to Singapore, where nature meets cityscapes and adventure awaits around every corner. Gardens by the Bay. Step into the future at Gardens by the Bay, a futuristic park featuring towering Supertrees adorned with colorful plants. Imagine strolling along elevated walkways amidst these vertical gardens and marveling at the dazzling light show in the evening. This is a must-see for anyone who appreciates innovation and nature combined. Singapore Botanic Gardens. Escape the hustle and bustle of the city and find tranquility at the Singapore Botanic Gardens, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Imagine wandering through themed gardens bursting with vibrant flowers, orchids, and lush greenery. This peaceful haven offers a welcome respite for nature lovers. East Coast Park. Unwind and have some fun at East Coast Park, a popular spot for locals and tourists alike. Imagine yourself swimming in the crystal clear waters, cycling along the scenic coastline, or simply relaxing on the beach and soaking up the sun. This park offers endless possibilities for outdoor recreation. Singapore Flyer. Soar to new heights and experience breathtaking 360-degree views of Singapore from the Singapore Flyer, a giant observation wheel. Imagine yourself floating above the city, taking in the panoramic views of skyscrapers, gardens, and the harbor. This is a perfect way to get a sense of Singapore's scale and beauty. Merlion Park. Capture a photo with the iconic Merlion statue, a mythical creature with the head of a lion and the body of a fish, which is the national symbol of Singapore. Imagine yourself standing at Merlion Park, surrounded by stunning waterfront views and vibrant energy. Sentosa Island. Let loose and have fun on Sentosa Island, a resort island packed with theme parks, Universal Studios Singapore being a major draw, stunning beaches, thrilling water sports activities, and exciting entertainment options. Imagine yourself riding thrilling roller coasters, relaxing on pristine beaches, exploring the underwater world at SE Aquarium, or enjoying a night out at a casino. Sentosa Island offers something for everyone seeking thrills, relaxation, or family entertainment. Singapore conquered. From dazzling sights to delicious bites, it's a feast for the senses. See you on the next adventure.